enrolled in school. Okay, talk to me now.
Order submitted.
But like she said, she was making money, so that's what I want to get to. Like, how
Right.
is it that I can make money?
Will you have an opinion? Say you think of the futures market as a bet about whether or not things will go up or down. When you
Hmm.
buy it, you're not saying you want to possess it. When you buy it, you're saying you think it'll go up. If you sell it, you're not trying to get rid of it or dispose it. You're when you sell it, you're saying you think it'll go down. So for example, on this chart right here, I'm in a sell because as you can see, the number is red. I want you to kind of dig that. You see right here? See, it
Hmm.
has red and it's one. So I sold this price because that's where sellers should have been. But today on this instrument, I believe that rising is what we should do. I just put a sell where the sellers were so I can be keyed in when I hear it. So now I
Hmm.
know, okay, we above that thing that I was watching. That's kind of what I got in my mind. We above that thing we was watching. Okay. So if you sell and it goes up, you lose money. But if you buy, say over here, you see how it's green here? So look right here at this, you see it says, you have to talk to me now so I know I'm not leaving you. You see this brown
Yes,
line at 40.49?
yes.
You see that right there? So we entered as buyers there. So what we said is the market will go up. And as you can see, prices above it. So now we entered not with one contract, but there are four contracts on this trade. You see how it has a four?
Hmm.
So that means that we didn't say, I bet you. We said, I bet you and you and you and you. I bet all four of y'all that it's going to go up. We traded with them. What did we trade? An agreement. We call it a contract. They said it's
Hmm.
going to go down. I said it's going to go up. Trade. They say it's going to go down. I say it's going to go up. Trade, trade, trade like that. And all of those people thought it would go down from 4049.1. I thought it would go up from 4049.1.
Hmm.
So they losing money if they sold it, but I'm making money because I bought it.
Hmm.
Does that make sense?
Yes.
Okay, cool. Now, the cool feature about this kind of trading is the liberty that we have over decisions. Most people say, for example, if you are in a trade, either it costs different money to get in different places, or you can't really control how long you want to be in a trade. But with us, what we can say is, you know what? I need a little money. I'm gonna hold a little money now. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna take a little profit. So I can take not all four of them, but I can take one of them and I can sell out of one of the contracts. Let me do that. Watch the four. Now the four turns into a three, and all I did was put some money in my pocket right now. Now I'm waiting. You see,
Mhm.
so I can take a little money off. I can say, you know what? I don't know if it's gonna keep going up, but what I want to do is just in case it don't go up no more,
Order submitted.
I'm gonna protect the trade so I can't lose no money on it. So I got three, and I'm gonna cover my three. I bring a stop in front of them. Now it don't matter what it do. I ain't gonna lose no money. And I might do that like if you heard Carl, what he said was, hey Jay, I left a runner on last night and I sold the 60s. So he sold, that means he believe it's gonna go up or down. This your pop quiz, Jessica. If he sold it, which way he think it's gonna go up or down?
Down.
Good. So he sold right here last night.
Hmm.
So it's been going down. He say he been holding it all this time. And he was doing it with three contracts. So I want you to see the fact that the market hasn't gone a long way, but we got 3,000 on us. The cool thing about this game is it don't have to move far for you to make a lot of bread. You see what I'm
Hmm.
saying? So he had three contracts selling from them 60 to the downside, and he was still holding them this morning. If we get down here this morning, if he knocked the ball down to us, all we gonna do is throw it back up to him. So I'm sending it back up there to him. We gonna buy it and see how far I can go. You understand what I'm saying now? This is the
Yes.
game. It's a game of opinions and being right. And you can be right for 5 minutes and then be wrong for 50. Or you can be wrong for 20 minutes and then be right for the rest of the day. You see what I'm saying? So this game is a game of understanding whether or not you should get in. If you get in, should you buy or sell? And then if you're going to choose buy or sell, from what price? You see what I'm saying? That's the
Mhm.
game we playing.
Okay.
And it's an easy little game.
So
All
how
you
do I
do is play.
profit?
How do you profit? Once you sell off, say you get in a trade, it make you $100, it goes into your account. If it's your brokerage account, you can call
But
your broker up right then and make a withdrawal.
but don't I have to put money to get money back?
If you start with your money, you got to put some in there because you can't make no money off of no money if it's live. But if you
So in
don't
the
trade live, you could trade somebody else money. And then if you hit the rules and hit the thresholds you need, you can make a withdrawal and never use any money of your own.
yeah, I don't have
Anybody in
money.
here?
So
Anybody? What you saying?
I don't have the money. So
Okay, it's fine. Anybody in here don't use their own money, they use other people's money.
Yep.
Yeah, correct. All day. Yep.
So you don't have to
Only
use
way
your
to
money.
play.
Long as you use your skill, you're gonna be just fine. That makes sense?
yes, sir.
Thank you.
Showtime. When did I do that?